Good day. Today, we are going to have a lecture video on constructing Venn diagrams with two circles. Again, the rectangle represents the universal set. And if there are two circles, circle A and circle B, these represent set A and set B. The overlapping part is a section where sets A and B intersect. Let's have this example. There were 135 students from Mountain View College Academy. Out of 135 students, 52 likes baseball, while 63 likes football. 12 likes both basketball and football. Now let us construct our Venn diagram. First, we make a rectangle for the universal set. And we will have two circles. One circle for basketball and the other circle for football. We name sets A and B, or the set for basketball and the set for football. To start identifying the numbers, we need to start at the intersection part. Here, how many likes basketball and football? The problem states that 12 likes both basketball and football. So we place the number 12 in the intersection area. So it is now seen as this one. Next, we need to start on one set. For example, we start with basketball. Now, how many likes basketball? Let's go back to the problem. Based on the problem, 52 likes basketball. So we go back to the circle. There are 52 who likes basketball. But if you check the circle for basketball, 12 is already written. So we say 52 minus 12. The answer is 40. So we write 40 here. How do we interpret that? 40 students likes basketball only. 12 students like basketball and football. And if we check the circle for basketball, there are 52 students who like to play basketball. Next, let's go to the football part. How many likes football? Based on the problem, 63 students like football. But since we already have 12 in the middle, then we subtract 12 from 63. So 63 minus 12, that is 51. 51 students like football only. So we write 51 at this area. So it will look like this one. How do we interpret this? 51 likes football only. But if I'll ask you how many likes football, you need to go back to circle for football. That will be 12 plus 51, 63. Now, remember how many students were there? There were 135 students. So we need to add the numbers inside. We have 40 plus 12, that is 52, plus 51, we only have 103 students. So out of 135 students of MVCA, only 103 likes basketball or football. So how many do not like basketball or football? The hint is we subtract the total, which is 103, from 135. So that will be 135 minus 103. The answer is 32. We place it outside the circle, but inside the rectangle. It means that 32 do not like to play football nor basketball. Let's interpret again the Venn diagram. How many students were there? You need to add all of the numbers inside. That's 40 plus 12 plus 51 plus 32. That is 105. 135, I mean. How many likes basketball and football? You go to the intersection. 12. How many likes basketball? You add the numbers into the circle. That will be 40 plus 12, 52. How many likes football? You add 12 plus 51. That's 63. How many likes basketball only? That's 40. How many likes football only? That is 51. Now we need to try another example. A veterinarian surveys 26 of his clients. He discovers that 14 have dogs, 10 have cats, and 8 have both cats and dogs. We need to construct a Venn diagram. Now let me share my whiteboard. Again, we need to note there are 26 clients. Then how many has dogs? There are 14. How many has cats? There are 10. For dogs and cats, there are 8. Let's start by drawing the universal set or rectangle. Next, we need to draw the circle for dogs. We need to name this. These are for the dogs. Next, we need to draw our circle for the cats. This is for the cats. Now let's start filling out the information. Again, we start with the intersection. How many has dogs and cats? 8. So we write 8 at the intersection for dogs and cats. Next, how many have dogs? 14. But if you see the circle, there's already 8. So that will become 14 minus 8. So 6 have dogs only. You write 6 here. Next, how about for cats? There are 10 who have cats. And if you check the circle for cats, there's already 8. So that becomes 10 minus 8. We have 2. Now remember, there are 26 clients of a veterinarian. So how many clients do not have dogs nor cats? We need to add this. The numbers inside, 6 plus 8 plus 2. That is 16. So 16 clients have dogs or cats. Since there are 26 clients, we subtract 16. It means that there are other 10 clients who don't have dogs or cats. So we write 10 here. Any questions? If you want to review this answer, you can open page 29 of your module, the answer key for the dogs and cats. Let me have another problem. Another problem states that in a survey, it's in try this number 2 of page 8 to 21. In a survey, there were 20 students in a class. Out of the 20 students, there were 10 who likes pineapple juice. 15 likes orange juice. And for pineapple and orange, there are 7. Now again, we need to draw our universal set, the rectangle. Then we'll draw our 2 circles. One circle for pineapple and another circle for orange. We need to start in the intersection area. How many likes pineapple and orange? There are 7. So we write 7 in the middle. Next, how many likes pineapple? There are 10. But since we already have 7 in the circle for pineapple, we say 10 minus 7. We only have 3 students who like pineapple only. But if I'll say how many students like pineapple juice, you add 3 plus 7. That is 10. Next, let's go to the orange. How many likes orange juice? We have 15. But since there's already 7 in the circle for orange juice, then we subtract 15 minus 7. That gives us 8. So if we add, there are 3, 7, that's 10, plus 8, there are 18 students who likes pineapple or orange. Now, if you say or, that is a union. So you add all the numbers. Remember, there are 20 students. So that's 20 minus 18. There are 2 students who do not like pineapple or orange. Now, this time, you do activity number 3, constructing Venn diagrams.